We're getting our glass repaired on our Coachman Apex Nano. The front glass here is made out of Lexan and it's leaking. It happened, of course, when you're camping, and we had to stop and get some caulking and fill it in and tape it shut. Now we're home and we can get it repaired, hopefully professionally. It is Lexan, just so everybody knows, on a 2019 Coachman Apex Nano. We've got a company here called Lloyd's of Shelton here in Northport, and they're going to try to repair it for us. He did tell me that factory did send me a picture of the glue that they use in the primer, and of course it's not really for Lexan, so looks like the factory is using stuff for glass. Of course. Hopefully this comes through here. You can see here in this corner, the glue, when it was manufactured, was never put over this corner. This glue was never put over this corner, never attached. The glass repair is completed. The guy used the same stuff that the factory used. They had missed this whole front left corner or front right corner altogether when they put it on, so it's been leaking probably since we bought it. So he fixed that, and it looks nice. He used the same primer and same glue, but he actually got it all on there this time. So hopefully it's fixed this time. Thanks.